Okay, and I know it looks flat. Remember, we still got to get the foam in there. Okay, so then a little bit here. Get this guy in here. This guy needs to be dry. Otherwise, it'll just push right off the hook. If I use the one I just did, it would push right off. Okay, so push it down. See, and that would just come right off this guy if I try to do that. And then what I need to do is get that foam in here and lift these pieces up so they curl around it like they're supposed to. Okay. Same with this one here. And then same with these other 3 pieces down here. Need to also do that. They all have to curl up around the center. Okay. And then I need to set this aside and let it dry. Get that in there. There we go. There. And let it dry. And even though I only did 3 on that, I did 5 on this one. Same idea. Okay, so what I have now is I have some 24 gauge wire. You can use 24 or 26. These are, again, very thick. I'm going to get a little shortening on my gum paste. It's starting to dry out a little. Always make sure you get some shortening on your board in these creases. And what this is a board that has grooves in it for me to insert the wires. You actually don't need that in this project because you roll this so thick the wire is going to go in anyway. But it's just easier for me to use. I'm so used to it. I'm just going to do it that way anyway. So we're going to roll it, and we're going to roll it fairly thick. Okay. And it just lifts up. Put a little shortening on there, so a little cornstarch so it's not sticky. And I have, again, that Ostromeria cutter. Center it right down that center vein. And I have this. This is a small cutter, and it's got a whole bunch of them that are like this that get bigger, and I don't even know what this is. It's just some sort of shape. And you actually don't have to use, you can use any shape you want. It's just what I happen to, what you have. You just use what you got. And I don't even know what this cutter is. It's just some sort of long fern thing. Could be a daisy cutter for all I know. See how tight that point is? We aren't even going to use that because there's no way I'm going to be able to cut a little bit off there. There's no way I can use that point. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the wire. You put a little bit of glue on it, and again, the gum glue will work, or this one from Joelle. And you just feel with your fingers and insert it right down the center. Go as far as you can. Okay, so it's almost all the way down. It's down here. And then pinch it right here at the base. And we'll do the same with the other one. And you want to make 5 to 7 of these, and then 7 to 9 of those. You just never know how big you want to make it. Depends on how full. Some of them are really full, some aren't. Okay, so we've got that in. Pinch it here at the base. Okay. Point. Pinch that point. Same with this one. Pinch the point. And same thing here. You're just going to roll right at that center. And you can get down the wire, but just be really careful. You're going down where the wire is. Okay, and then you're just going to leave these to dry. Let them dry curved a little bit.